One of the simplest ways to organize your income in TrueView is by using percentages. Percentages let you automatically divide up your income as money comes in without needing to decide exact dollar amounts ahead of time. On the Organize page, you can choose what percentage of your income should go into each bucket. When you first signed up, TrueView will have created percentages for you automatically based on your past spending patterns. These percentages are simply a starting point to help you begin organizing your money right away. If you'd like to make changes, you can easily adjust the percentages anytime. For example, you may decide you want to set less money aside for spending and a little more for other expenses, or for another bucket you've created. There's no perfect setup here. You can always adjust things over time as you learn what works best for you. As you organize, you'll see how much money is remaining in your income bucket and what your new bucket balances will be. When you click Save, TrueView moves that money out of your income bucket and into the buckets you've selected according to your plan. Now your money is clearly set aside and organized. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Nothing is locked in. You can always move money between your buckets later if your plans change. Percentages are a great option if you want a simple and flexible way to organize your money as income comes in. And keep in mind, the goal here isn't perfection. It's simply to create a structure that keeps your money clear, organized, and easy to understand.